Hey everybody, this is Scott Big Head Biker. We are doing a install on these new Cobra neighborhooders. I am unsure what pipes are on here, if they're stock or not. I don't see any Harley stamping anywhere, but I'll look once I get them off. But we'll give it a sound. I don't believe they're stock, but I like a little louder. Wouldn't we all? Okay, so I'm doing this in excerpts because my GoPro died. Soon will come a new GoPro. I got a 7 white. It works great. I like it. The major downfall, it does not have a removable battery. So once it goes dead, it's dead. Unless you plug it in while you're using. I didn't think that far ahead this morning. So, but we got the right side exhaust off. Here she be. We're gonna clean that up and put on eBay or something. I don't care. Here comes new pipes. Okay, here is right side, new pipe back on. Very nice. I like it a lot. It does have removable baffle. We'll just see. But I think the black's gonna look good. Bottom of the saddlebag is black, so it's just going to blend in and look great. And we'll see how they sound here shortly. On to the left side. Okay, both sides on. I've yet to tighten anything up. Just got them on there. I did not pay attention. Had them backwards. I don't mean backwards that way. I mean, I can tell that. I mean left to right. The right side has the indentation there for your axle nut and everything. So. Fair enough. So far, I like the look. Looks pretty good coming out the back there. So we'll tighten her up and start her up. Here we go. First start. So overall, pretty happy with them. Like I said, I might take the baffles out just to see how it is. But I know that there is a percentage of what you can do to the bike without any tuning. So I don't want to exceed that percentage and lose my gas mileage or mess something up. But we'll see. They are definitely louder than they sound in the video. I think they're louder farther away, like so other people can hear more than previously. They are quieter at highway speeds. You know, if you're just cruising at a low RPM, they are quieter than the old ones, which is not a bad thing. I kind of enjoy that.
But definitely around town, you can hear them coming. So, like I said, pretty easy install. Had I sprayed probably a little lubricant before I started, whatever brand you choose, but that probably would help loosen them up a little more. But this does make me want black head pipes, so that might be the next purchase. We'll see how that goes. But thanks for watching. Remember to like and subscribe. Take care.